Welcome to the future of YouTube interaction with ChatTube. Imagine a world where you can have real-time conversations with any YouTube video using advanced artificial intelligence. Today, we'll explore how ChatTube revolutionizes your YouTube experience. ChatTube is a cutting-edge platform that allows you to chat with YouTube videos in real time. You can ask questions, get summaries, pinpoint key points, and even translate content, all while watching your favorite videos. To get started, simply head to the Chrome web store and install our ChatTube Chrome extension. It seamlessly integrates with your browser, providing a hassle-free chatting experience. Once installed, you'll gain access to the depths of YouTube like never before. Dive into a world of immersive and insightful conversations tailored to your passions and interests. Whether you're an educator or a student, ChatTube enhances your learning experience. Engage in AI-assisted discussions that delve into educational content and subjects, expanding your knowledge in an interactive way. Tech and gadget enthusiasts rejoice. Stay up to date with the latest developments through AI-generated discussions focused on product reviews, tutorials, and comparisons. You'll never miss a beat in the fast-paced world of technology. Content creators, get ready to ignite your creativity. ChatTube provides AI-generated dialogues that deepen your understanding of video trends, inspiring your next YouTube project. Let your imagination soar with ChatTube by your side. Using ChatTube is a breeze. Simply open a YouTube video and activate the ChatTube extension. You'll have access to a chat window that runs alongside the video, allowing you to engage in real-time conversations. ChatTube is continually evolving to meet user demands. We actively maintain and refine our product based on user feedback. Your suggestions are invaluable to us, and we encourage you to share your ideas through our feedback form. Language should never be a barrier. ChatTube supports multiple languages. Simply select your preferred chat language in the settings, and ChatTube will prioritize that language during your conversations. Welcome to the future of YouTube interaction with ChatTube. Install our Chrome extension today and embark on a journey of immersive, insightful, and personalized conversations with your favorite YouTube videos. ChatTube is here to transform the way you discover, learn, and engage with content.